Hey, what's up everybody? We're getting ready to stick our torque box on here. This is the other side of the torque box. That's the three tools I'm going to use. One's a clamp for bending your panels so we can make it fit. Regular screwdriver to pry the stuff, and then the hammer to bump it in. But a lot of people are having trouble installing these. Okay, and what I did was I put the back one in first. We got that all welded across the top, and we have it welded to the inside of the floor pan. Then we welded it to the frame support there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to stick the other side in. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to pick the box up, and right here is the notch on the frame. That's where everybody gets stuck on it. Okay, but if you take your torque box, if you pick it up and sit it above that notch, and then you just push it into place, and then up top here we got a little spot right there. So what we want to do is we want to tuck the pan over top of that. So if you just give it a push, it'll lock it in there. A little hard. Okay, and then I'm going to take the hammer, just knock it in there. Okay, now we got it knocked in there. Now basically, once we got it in there, right here's your hole that you're trying to line up. So we're just going to take the hammer and bang up on it. And then over here, we got the edge. Okay, so that edge we have to get in there. So basically what I'm going to do is put a screwdriver in there, push that over. Push that over there. Push that over and then pry it up into place. And then once I got that up there, I can smack that with the hammer. And then we can lock that in there. So let me set the phone down here a second. I got to hit that with the hammer. Okay, I smacked that with the hammer. Now that's up inside there. Now I can push the rest of the torque box up just by whacking on it. Okay, now you're not cooperating. All right, hold on. Let me set this down. We'll get it in there and then show you. Okay, banging's over. Okay, we got it knocked in there. Okay, now we're gonna weld it here at the top. Gonna weld it on the edge here, and then we'll weld it down underneath here, up to the cross member, the floor support, and then we'll weld it here against the edge, and then that'll be off your rocker panel. All right, so that's how we got it in there without too much trouble and not having to notch the frame or cut the torque box. We put it in there without cutting nothing. All right, hope this helps you all, everybody, and have a good day.